Welcome to How to Make Cheesecake Recipes and Lesson. My name is John, and I'm going to be your guide in this cheesecake making course. You see, it all started for me a few years ago. I had grown up baking sponge cakes, breads, schaumtorts. Truth is, it wasn't until I was 23 years old that I tried my first cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory of all places. Now, this is a little embarrassing, but I was invited to a birthday celebration and actually thought it was going to be a tour of a cheesecake factory. It's actually a restaurant. After tasting my first bite of cheesecake, I decided I wanted to try and make my own cheesecake at home. It seemed like a daunting task. Like most people do, I Googled it. This only made the problem worse. Type in basic New York cheesecake recipe, you'll end up with 100 different recipes. Which one actually tasted the best? Looking to master the art of the cheesecake, I studied, took lessons, and made massive amounts of cheesecake that I'd have to give away to family, friends, neighbors. I would go to restaurants that served the best cheesecake I'd ever had, and I'd beg for the recipe, offering sums of money to the chef just for that one recipe. Now, I think I have the best cheesecake recipes, and I want to pass along my knowledge. I created this course to teach people a super effective way to make the best cheesecake. One of the secrets I learned was when you make your own cheese for your cheesecake, it'll taste richer and better than any store-bought cheese. I was taught this and have included how to make rich cream cheese, ricotta cheese, and rich French sour cream called creme fraiche. I designed this course strictly for beginners to learn how to make cheesecake the super easy way, with information and recipes I wish I had years ago when I first started making cheesecake. Register now before the price goes up.